Because I sit down on the toilet, you take off your knickers, or you do like this. If you sleep with a man last night, and you sit down on the toilet, you're not even have to smell. Because as the two come and the man come, you definitely to have a different smell. From the man, that smell are going to run out of you maybe within 5 hours, 6 hours. That man, the water that will run out of you. You see if you see him with our next draws. Everything I say, yuck! A truth. You have to smell yourself. So that woman that was say she don't have no time for that. She make my head hurt me. Ladies, let me tell you something. Even when you're cheesy as a woman, and you get up and beard, and if you go to work, but you have your stocking and your skirt, you get sweaty. Sweaty, you're good. So if you rub your hand between the gusso, you feel a little cheese and the pussy, and when you get stale and sweat. So Jurosh, say if you work for 8 hours at a job, by the time you reach home, your pussy I got cheesy, but it not stink. When you have cheese in pussy, yeah? So categorize the difference. Someone don't know, say, sometimes you sleep with a man, and you and the man pH balance don't match. You need little vinegar, little baking soda. You get little warm water, boil up the water, throw little salt in it. You don't know if it's cold, woman. You know what? Come tell them, say, you don't have no time for your own pussy. I wonder about you now. Donna, me, look for me. Me am 55. I said the last time me catch was sexual information to blood clot. Him laugh. You said the last time me catch a sexual named chlamydia. 2006. The first day I hear about chlamydia. Me never know about chlamydia Jamaica. Me know about gonorrhea. I said me reach England, me done. And got prison name Wakefield Prison. New Hall Prison, the place name. And then one place name Wakefield. You see, when you go prison in England, everybody has to go to them have to do piss test and them have to go medical. So from you is a prisoner, you have to go medical. You say me go medical, madam, them say me have chlamydia. And when you have chlamydia, you have one time, one dose. You see chlamydia, madam, all when you just bathe from up at the bathroom and come back downstairs, dry off nice and powder, and you smell your dry scratches are been on your head, so. Think. That is chlamydia. And at 2006, me discover chlamydia. A prison me go know about chlamydia. I say me catch a... Me never know nothing about chlamydia for truth. Me never catch back nothing. Everybody are going at this. If you talk like a sniffer dog.
Where you sniff?
You see the split?
Nothing there.
Put on some weight now. No. You can't eat well from beach now. I'll come and put on the weight. Stop it down, stop. I don't want to. Hey, I want my other move now. Hey, tomorrow. Ah, but I like. I wrote me a call down our phone outside when the guy want to go West Ham and this a long time. When even know her as Queasy and know her as Lady that is like first F1 team the West Ham. Yeah. And me there Halloween and a bally. Me get hold with God and get hold with cocaine and a bally and she come with that. Halloween and she try that.
White and Jaws.
No,